Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to stretch text in Canva. While there isn't an exact stretch text option tool, I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can stretch text in your designs. So the first one is to click onto your text and drag the corners out to stretch it and make it bigger if you want. The next option is to click on the text, and then we're going to click on advanced settings. And here's where you can stretch the text by adding extra space in between the letters. So if I click on the slider and drag it out, you can see my text stretches out and gets as big as the design, and I can bring it back down again. So that's another option for stretching text in Canva. So the third option is to use one of the apps. So I'm going to go onto the left-hand side to the app section. I'm going to type in typecraft, and this is an app where you can play around with the text and stretch it and warp it and add different effects like you can see here. So when I scroll across, you can see all the funky different things you can create with your text. So all I need to do is type my text in. So I'm just going to say stretch text again. Stretch, stretch text. So it's the same as what I've got there. You can change the fonts as well, choose from something a little bit different, something a bit more funkier. Then I can add one of these warp effects to my design. So something like that, and then you can add it to your design. Once it's on your design, you can also edit it as much as you want. You can even go back and stretch it out a little bit more, make it bigger, add different effects, things like that. You can give it a glow effect, echo effects, drop effects, things like that, and you can even animate it. So that's it. That's how to stretch text in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.